Welcome to 2-Minute Math with Dr. John, where we cover a math concept in under 2 minutes. That way, if you want to watch it again, it won't take too long. Now, in this video, we're going to look at some interesting facts that you should keep in mind about trig functions in a right triangle. I call them triangle trig tips. These can come in very handy when you're taking the SAT or ACT. So, let's say we have a triangle here, right triangle. We're going to label it ABC, and we'll label the sides ABC. Now, the sine of an angle is equal to the opposite over the hypotenuse. So, the sine of A is going to be A over C. And the sine of B is going to be B over C. Now, the cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. So, the cosine of B will be A over C. Cosine of B is going to be A over C. And the cosine of A will be B over C. So look, the sine of A and the cosine of B are the same. Sine of B and cosine of A are the same. So in a right triangle, the cosine of one angle is the same as the sine of the other angle, and vice versa. Now, notice that the hypotenuse is always the longest side. And in all of these, the hypotenuse is in the denominator. This means that the sine and cosine of an angle are always going to be less than 1. This also means that the secant, which is the inverse cosine, and the cosecant, which is the inverse sine, will have the hypotenuse in the numerator, and they will always be greater than 1. Keep this in mind. It will help you a lot. Now, what about tangent? Well, the tangent we know is opposite over adjacent. Let's go ABC. ABC, okay? We don't even need the C for our tangent, okay? So, if this is an isosceles triangle, in other words, if A is equal to B, all right, and side A is equal to side B, okay, and angle A is equal to angle B. And if these are equal, they'll both be 45 degrees. All right. The tangent being A over B, but they're the same, tangent of 45 degrees is 1. If, however, we have a triangle, all right, where A, B, C, A, B, C, okay. Let's say in this triangle, we know that, A obviously is greater than B, meaning that angle A is greater than angle B, okay? In this triangle, the tangent, all right, so if we take the tangent of A, this is B, the tangent of A being greater than 45 degrees, okay, is going to be greater than 1, because A is greater than B. The tangent of B, which is less than 45 degrees, is going to be less than 1. So 1 through 44 degrees, less than 1. Tangent's less than 1. 45 degrees, it's 1. Greater than 45 degrees, 46 to 89 degrees, it's going to be greater than 1. Okay? Also, the tangent of an angle, all right, let's say the tangent of A is going to be equal to the sine of that angle divided by the cosine of that angle. Okay? So tangent of A is sine A over cosine A, and the tangent of B is equal to the sine of B over the cosine of B. So tangent is sine over cosine. Now, all sides of a right triangle are just measurements. So they're always greater than 1. This means no matter who we divide, we're always going to get a number that is greater than 0. That's positive. So sine, cosine, tangent, cotangent, secant, and cosecant are always greater than 0 in a right triangle. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like and subscribe and have a great day.